Hello, dear students of class 10. Koi ngasi di koi na quadratic question ki year questions from 2012 up to 2020 ka. Si 2019 bogi question ni yaw risi but ay 20 bogi question na inasi hay na mamang ki class ta hay ki badu ngasi question sing sin na inarasi. So koi na class si hogdring lagi mamang da ay na mamang gi koi gi group WhatsApp ta koi gi school gi angang sing gi ka. Wednesday date 17 11 AM da related with our YouTube class ko siga mari lainana test tawgani haina haigibado mado hairiba ngasi nainariba question sing quadratic amadi linear equation, that is chapter number 4 and 5. The linear equation su mainly definition sing ko koina yengadui si relation sing consistent, inconsistent, dependent, then multiple type questions ko habidi ase type question nate 1 mark piba 2 mark piba question sing ko. You will practice the questions for 2 mark questions. Duna haribasingje practice tawro. So tomorrow just at 11 AM I will send the question to our group WhatsApp and you have to send your answer also at our group WhatsApp. Then at your answer paper you have to write your names and the roll number ko noigi answer paper da nakoigi roll number amasung name tharaga noigi answer du iraga on or before 1 PM ko punga magi mamang da nakoigi answer du thar o haidana ina hana su haigri duni. So noi loina makawya de ko, so don't forget to send your answer. Okay, so let me see start our class. Koi hojik ai 2012 ki question sing ko ai hotpa horage. So let me read out the question for 2012 ta ko koina quadratic question da question karmaina hangi haibasi aina question together with answer ithoe noida nungaina nabagi ko si board ta to aina hotlaga iraga leiraga di matam yamna changani haidana aina exercise book sida dum tawre. So let me read out the questions. So a question number 1 2 3 in a series atli but the question paper di question number 1 mark na 1 group ta 2 mark ko 2 group ta and 3 in smile legadabani you understand tawrani. So let me read out the question first. So the quadratic question x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 has number A the unequal real roots, and number B 2 equal real roots, and number C 2 irrational roots, and number D no real roots. Hariba option mari sidagi karambana chumdoino haiduine bako haibidi hariba sigi quadratic question sa has hariba mayam sigi maraktagi karamba real root oiduira irrational oiduira or hariba no real root oiduira haise noi karmai khangani hairagadi koina hotragadi khangoi duini sigi matang je kari hotkani ko discriminant b square minus 4ac gi value find out togani ko. So ai matai stay da noi ju right margin da holo b square minus 4ac je kai ga manare yengasi. Let's see b square haibadi kaino what represent b here minus 1, so minus 1 square minus 4 a represent coefficient of x square is 1 into c here 1. So just after calculating minus 1 square got 1 and 4 into 1 got t, 4 1 is 4. Then just after taking out difference of these two subtract oraga minus 3 got minus 3 habidi it is less than 0. Discriminant less than 0 oragadi. What about the nature of the roots? Magi root ki nature kari da we haigi the roots are not real, no real roots. I just doing so ko number D se sum doi ba ko. The answer is D ko smile D na answer roirani koigi multiple type the write only the letter corresponding to the correct answer. So D is no real roots type so you have to write your answer as D. And question number 2, what is meant by the discriminant of a quadratic question? Quadratic question amagi discriminant mean to is hairagadi si 1 mark ni, so b square minus 4ac ko si discriminant mean to idana ko. So the answer will be b square minus 4ac. And then next is question number 3, for what value of k will the roots of the equation twice x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 be reciprocal to each other haiba haibidi sigi equation ji gi root je reciprocal hoiba taragadi k gi value putho u haibaneba adudi khoina kamai hotkani 1 mark ni adina samna ko koi reciprocal hoina ba root ani do kana kana ne la losige alpha na one of the root ne lo rasi, then another root is 1 by alpha ko x and 1 by x lo sai, but I took here that alpha and 1 by alpha be the roots of the equation maramdi reciprocal hoina ba haibanina alpha gi reciprocal di 1 by alpha ni dana adama buthwai ji ki ne do ki ji kana da yawi haragadi ki se it contain at the constant place the layer. That is why product of the root ti kaino alpha into 1 by alpha si kai ga manare koina k by 2 haibadi akoina product of the root c by a ni dana c ji kanano c gi mafam da k laire a haibadi coefficient of x square d got to here so k by 2 laire then alpha ka a and then 1 ji kana ga manare k by 2 ga manare then k ji cross multiply tawraga 2 1 is 2 ko 2 got so the value of k is 2 sumaina ko and then question number 4 if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 so that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a sum of the roots here minus b by a ga mani haina ulu haibase nakoina aina mamangi youtube class ta ko ai ta khare sum of the roots haibachi kamai puthokki alpha na koina minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2ic and beta na minus b amana plus alpha na plus and beta na minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2ic then ani do find out the sum the alpha plus beta to whole minus b by a ta gi baduni it getting 2 mark so mamangi si answer idre so you can see this answer on from the previous class okay so upon the previous class koina mamangi class ki youtube class to yengo aduga and then you can see this answer sumaina mamangi class ti yaw graba answer kharadi aina iraroi ko and then question number 4 form the quadratic equation whose roots are ka magi root anina 4 plus root over 5 and 4 minus root over 5 ani haiba ani sina quadratic equation gi root ani do iba taragadi equation do u haibane ba 2 mark piri ni ko aduna si kai do darkar oi akoina in the roots of the quadratic equation are given then how can write the equation combine e hai taragadi x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0 haiba relation do we shall use that relation so find first upon we see we need to find the sum of the roots so sum of the root is 4 plus root over 5 plus 4 minus root over 5 ka ani gi sum root 5 se plus minus laire cancel tawre then 4 plus 4 got 8 and find out the product so the product of the roots equal to 4 plus root over 5 holding into 4 minus root over 5 it is equal to it is in the form of a plus b whole into a minus b so got b a square minus b square so just after doing see finding the product 4 square got 16 and root 5 square d as you know only 5 then 16 minus 5 got 11 kuina we know see some of the roots and product of the roots kuina khange see matung dai we shall write the equation so just after knowing the sum and the product of the roots then we can write the equation is therefore the required equations is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0 and then we shall substitute the previous value x square minus in place of sum of the roots we will substitute 8 into x plus 11 as you know the product of the roots got 11 so equal to 0 that is the required equation haragas minus conclusion pigadabni ko so we have finished for 2012 then we shall see 2013 question 2013 ki question ji yengasi ko question number 1 the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation question kamaina hangi haibado khangbaga loina na hariba mong sida loi hangi noi textbook ta so dum ko hariba sing je khanga gadi noi textual question sing so dum ngangwani ko so the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is sum of the roots ti kai gamane haiba see general form of quadratic equation duni so minus b by a will be the answer so minus b by a haiba se a the laire so the answer is a and then question number 2 state the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 when b square minus 4ac equal to 0 b square minus 4ac na 0 iba matam da magi nature of the roots kai wai haiba roots are real and equal haigadaba ko your answer will be roots are real and equal 1 mark carrying and then the next is question number 3 if one of the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus q equal to 0 be twice the other then show that twice b square equal to 9q so no gi textbook ti obo question ni ko haibadi quadratic equation piriba x square minus bx plus q equal to 0 haiba quadratic equation gi root ama atopa magi double neba double as you know twice neba doi taragadi so that twice p square haibadi p se yauri se and chiga 9q ga manai haiba ko sort out carrying 2 mark so mana root ani do mana twice ni haire so if one of the root na alpha wai taragadi then the other root will be twice alpha lakani so let alpha and twice alpha be the roots of the equation then koina first upon koina kari puthokani we have to find the sum of the roots so as you know the roots are alpha plus twice alpha so you have to add alpha and twice alpha haibadi sum of the roots to ni it is equal to sum of the root ki formula di minus b by a haibani. Here kanano b kanana represent tawre, in place of b the having minus p, so minus p by minus of minus p haibadi minus is for formula, and in place of b the minus p later by a haibadi coefficient of x square is 1 is, so divided by 1 hairagadi kaitarani minus of minus p. And then find out the sum of these two. And is sum puthodi got thrice alpha, then minus of minus di kai later plus p later ko. Therefore alpha di kai la ani p by 3 hari question number 1 ko alpha khange ko. And then product of the root samu puthor ani ko, product of the root haibadi kai no che root ani do alpha ga twice alpha ga ni, so product of the root haibadi alpha into twice alpha di kai ga manaba. As you know, the formula for product of the root is c by a haibane, to in place of c the having q divided by a haibadi kai no coefficient of x square is 1, so q divided by 1 di got q never. The 2 into c di multiply to product kai tare twice alpha square got, and then q. Just after writing this, and then we shall substitute the value of alpha from where, so I write here equation number 1. So from here, so we will substitute the value of alpha as p by 3, so 2 into p by 3 whole square khangani ko, the alpha gi mafam the p by 3 whole square later equal to q. So 2 into p square by 3 are 9 equal to q later. Then after cross multiplying tawrakan sidai da koina kari phange twice p square haibase got 9q hai record twice p square got 9q, hence on maram di mana show taw haisi kaino ko show taw haibase twice p square se 9q ko manai haiba show taw haibani. So the conclusion is here. So mind talk dana ulu hai du ulabani na, the question is so that, so we shall give the conclusion is hence shown hai dana koina sumaina loire ko. It is for 2013 question. Then let's see the next question. Then the next year question is for 2014. So let's see the question. Question number 1. Find the quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta. Ka alpha amsung beta na root oiba du mamakal gi quadratic question du u haibane ba ko. Ado answer se ina number 2 ni. Sikai gamana givu I answer idre. I didn't give here the answer because you can see this answer also from the previous YouTube class. Maram the formation of quadratic question in answer the irija. See answer do na te ko. You see the previous class never say formation of quadratic question whose roots are given and a heading the young hypernicos hydisa. Alpha ga beta gana root oraga, how can form the quadratic question? I say the heading the formation of quadratic question whose roots are given hybedo adunico. She answer hybidi she can non have she say she mamangi class thing over you see on the previous class, okay? Yaraniko, I didn't explain to so I have written the question also. Smaina, find the quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta. Natragana, form the quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta. You can see this answer from the previous class, okay? And then question number 2, the karihangi haibamatam the word problem based on say the quadratic question. Quadratic question the based over word problem hangi. You can see this type of question from exercise 4.3 dagi phangani do isi gi joloi maramdi. I will take one more class for quadratic question related with word problem based on say the quadratic question gi word problem the based of buduna aina one more class part 3 ngasina today is the part 2 to dai taglakani ko word problem di aina suhana mamang da haibaneba ko definition then word problem ko abjiti holoi sima leire haibadi aina question iri si maram ji karino hai taragadi I want to show all the question that asks at the board, okay? Haibadi word problem hangi haibadu khangnaba ibaneba 2014 dadi si question ji hange. Then another question a word problem based on the say the quadratic question, okay? Sima leire duga sima su or satpa ko si textbook te over question ani ni ko. Then let's see 2015 question. Aina ngasi ta isina mamang de explain to kiba ko the previous class de explain to kiba adugumba definition jing dugi related questions jing neba ko. The questions what I teach you today are the questions related with the previous class, okay? Dina 2015 yang asi. So question number 1, the sum of the roots of the quadratic question ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is ato. Yam library ni ba mamang da in the class to no ina phajana yahubo ragadi. I think you can see you can solve all the problem. Loi khangani base. The sum of the roots of the quadratic question ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is mamang da yaw redana. Sum of the roots saibadi it is a general form. It is equal to minus b by a, so the answer will be b. B's answer. And then so here is also giving the word problem, okay? sisu word problem based on the quadratic equation neba ko simasu in the next class the ko ayadum naina si. Let's discuss about the word problem in the next class. Okay, then let's see 2016 question, how the question asks at 2016 the question kamai hangi hajim giangasi. So say question number ko the first question ni question number 1 haibi ai ko say if the roots of the equation x squared plus px plus q equal to 0 are in the ratio 4:3, then prove that 12p square equal to 49q haiba ko si extra ni not from textbook te obana te du isu loi lai sumaina mana equation amagi sumaina piramagadi the roots are in the ratio haibo hairasu reciprocal oinai bu hairasu twice the other boy hairasu noina darkar oi bada puthokadui se karino. First upon you have to find the sum of the roots and then product of the roots aina hairaga, then sum of the root of hangiba root to gi alpha do or ma root to gi value do second to the sindalaga, then you can get the answer. Each and everything are same process is amanani ko aduna roots are in the ratio here 3:4 neba mamang da masu hot khredana twice the other higher the one of the root alpha oi matan the another root to twice alpha haigidra. Like that you magi giving in the form of ratio. That is why I will take the two roots side target let thrice alpha and 4 alpha be the roots of the given equation. Given equation have the seen ko you can write the equation, but I write here given equation ki root ani do thrice alpha and 4 alpha kai gilori no the roots are given in the form of ratio 3:4. Just after doing that, and then we shall find the sum of the roots. So thrice alpha plus 4 alpha equal to, as you know, the sum of the roots is minus b by a. So you all see at the given equation. So at place of b, what is here? P. So according to the formula, minus p b haibado p leirabanina minus b by a haiba minus b gi mafam da p leire p divided by a di kana leire x square ki coefficient. What is the coefficient of x square here? 1. That is why minus p by 1 hairagadi akoina dum isel minus p leirana 1 divide over the isel taidana ko. And then find out the sum of these two, thrice alpha plus 4 alpha, they got 7 alpha, and then minus p, and then find out the value of alpha, then minus p by 7. Okay, the coefficient will divide, then we'll get equation number 1. Equation number 1 and 1007. And then just after finding the value of alpha, then we shall find the product of the roots. You know, the product of the roots are thrice alpha into 4 alpha, that is equal to c by a. In place of c, what is here? There is q, that is why q divided by a is here, coefficient of x square is here 1, that is why q by 1 got q. And then find the product of these two, 3, 4 are 12 alpha square equal to q, and then in place of, so 12 and in place of alpha square, in place of alpha, what is to be substituted? Here we got alpha as minus p by 7. That is why in place of alpha we shall substitute minus p by 7 whole square equal to q. It is from where? It is from, we have already find at equation number 1. So you may write here from equation number where? From equation number 1. Okay. And then say find the product. Say here 12 into, as you know, minus is multiplied to 2 times, minus the plus. So p square divided by, then 7 are 49q. Just after then by doing the cross multiplication, then we can get the answer is 12p square equal to 49 into q. Then what is to be shown? You look at the question. What is to be proved? Prove that 12p square equal to 49q. As you know, here is the answer. We got here 12p square equal to 49q. Just after getting this, and then according to the question, we can write the conclusion is hence proved. Okay. And then the next question, let's see the next question. Solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by the method of completing perfect square. Ka sin 3 mark piraga hange 2020 so hangi ko ado sigi su I didn't write here the answer. Sigi answer idre maramdi kaigino si su aina solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, comma a not equal to 0 by the method of completing perfect square. Haibase in the previous class ta takre. So after seeing that class, and then you can write this answer by yourself. Okay, aduna nakoina sigi answer do mamangi class tu yengaga adum hero ko aduna smain tok dana laire. Then let's see the next. Then let's see 2017 question. Question number 1. If one of the root of the equation thrice x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 be reciprocal of the other then the value of x is haina haiba ko sidana khoina kari haire haiba matamda then the value of k haibani ko then the value of k is haiba ko k gi value do kya oigada ge haibane ba koi mamangdana 1 mark pirak hangba sina multiple da hangba ko adi tadi kamai holakani yengasi multiple oiragadi nang matai de yam samna let alpha and 1 by alpha logi dana mamangda the reciprocal with other haiba du logdraga su nang na kari haire root ani do khoina reciprocal haibani na if one of the root is alpha then another root is 1 by alpha k je karai da lai where is k c in place of constant gi mafam da lai bani aduna constant jawba formula di ka nangna karom dagi puthorakani haiba matam da sum of the root dagi puthorakadra product of the root dagi puthorakadra hairagadi nakhang nakhoina product of the roots dagi puthorakani ba so what I write here it is in the form of product of the roots okay alpha into 1 by alpha haibadi the two roots are represented is alpha into 1 by alpha it is the representation for the product of the roots as you know the formula for product of the roots is c by a here c represent k and a represent coefficient of x square here 3 that is why k by 3 just after cancelling this alpha and alpha then got k equal to by cross multiplication 3 1s are 3 so k equal to 3 so out of the four options which one is correct yeah 3 is at a that is why your answer will be a so you do like this no need to show the complete calculation you have to do the rough calculation on the right margin okay haibadi matam yamna logdanabagi damakta noina right margin da hotgadabani ko understand and the next question form a quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta siju mamang ta su hangredana aina mamangi youtube class ko aina mamangi class su haibado asigi matang je takpada si aina formation of quadratic question whose roots are given haibasi at the question form kamai hangi form a quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta or find a quadratic question whose roots are alpha and beta sagi mamang da leibaduni samani ko it is these are the same question okay so for this answer also you can see this answer from the previous class I am explain to dragasu mamang de explain to grabanina noina adum madu yanga understand to wanga mani ko you can understand okay after seeing that class okay so getting 2 mark si question mo ong do khang da ya de ba your class 10 standard okay question naina ba hai very important so question number 3 dadi what problem based on quadratic question ka aina haibado ayamba matamda word problem se linear equation into variable then the quadratic linear equations maina ya matam chatli haibado ko no edum khange dana ko sisu mu or haraga ani pi ko question ani se no yango sigi question ani se kari da hangbai question padre maramdi sigi se exercise 5.3 da yaugadabani ai 5.3 not started okay paraga su no khoi khangoi haba ina explain tawrasu tak 3 ba next class I will do okay so question 2017 da sima hange ka 1 mark piba multiple lama hange then 2 mark piba formation of quadratic question hange then what problem ani sigi marakta or to 4 5 6 7 mark hange ko others 5 natragana 6 or 7 marks se dum quadratic te gila kaneba then let's see 2018 question 2018 da kamai hangi yengasi write down the roots of the quadratic question ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if a plus b plus c equal to 0 and what are the roots of the equation 2 mark piri ni ko see there is the two step of this question jigi step ani lai first step ta sini ani subana sini ko mahai si se important deductions and you can see this also from let's see 2018 question write down the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if a plus b plus c equal to 0 what are the roots of the equation ka si koina important deduction haibadu da yawbaduni ko last tuni ad answer dang pirage aduna if a plus b plus c na 0 oiba taragadi roots ani do kana kana oi haigi 1 and c by a ko answer is this and what are the roots of the equation haragadi nang the roots of the quadratic equation sigi roots indi kana kana ni haiba alpha ga beta ga na represent taukiba minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a and another root is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a battery so the roots are this and this okay. And question number 2 of 2018, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, Then prove that square root of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus b by a square root of b by a haibani ka equal to 0 ga mani habi ulu haiba ka 3 mark piraga hangba. So sumai hongni ko sumai na mana alpha and beta root ni then so that haibadi you always find the sum of the roots and product of the roots ni ko alpha and beta ni se root of the harama bani ko later always since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Then find the sum of the roots side the sum of the roots according to this question yango minus b by a harakani minus b by a and product of the roots the c by a haibani the c gi mafam da kai laire b laire so b by a du moirane ba so b by a hane ko product of the roots and then find the left hand side c gi sinjalaji we shall substitute the left hand side so alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus square root of b by a haire it is equal to see koina kamaina ani ji oina alpha beta yaw bani ji add torasi how will we add we have to take LCM of denominator c square root of alpha by square root beta equals sum me so got square root of alpha beta is the LCM then square root of alpha beta da beta ni already got alpha tare alpha into alpha di got alpha square root of alpha whole square plus square root of beta whole square haiba c ani c gi sum ni it is the sum of the first two and then you're right square root of b by a later. And this is alpha square have got alpha and then root beta square got beta then square root of alpha beta. Just after this we shall substitute the value of sum of the root alpha plus beta in from the minus b by a sinjalasi alpha beta the b by a sinjalasi ko. And the sinjale minus b by a later square root of b by a later the show more square root of b by a later ko. I explain the doctrine dum khang di khang ni to bodum tawrage adu khoina kari haiba makha denominator se root jawre root jawa ya de akoi rationalize to ge haita ragadi it will be multiplied by again square root of b by a so got b by a later makha da multiply to base the same will multiply to the numerator so and the numerator will be multiplied by root by b square root of b by a later c b by a ka a so minus b by a got square root of b by a got and plus square root of b by a c ani se kaino amana minus ni amana plus ni these two are same so just after cancelling because of the difference of the equal number got 0 adidi manga sai 0 mane ulu haibado akoina ulle ko thus square root of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha b nati say it is beta okay so beta by a beta by a say no beta divided by kanano square root of beta by alpha plus square root of b by a is got 0 hence proof haraga sina si question jini ko si mak hangi haiba natraga su no yengoba ko kamaina smai piragadi it is need to find the sum of the roots and product of the roots and then after calculation you can see your answer. Then let's see 2019 question ka write the answer of the roots of the quadratic equation kanagi x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 when the discriminant is negative discriminant negative oita magi root ke answer se kari ogani hai target the roots are not real ko no real oidana discriminant negative haibadi b square minus 4ac is less than 0 haibaduga negative haibagu chamanadra ne manadro aduna side the b square minus 4ac se less than 0 oitargadi the roots are kahaiba no real ko negative hai to see never so the answer is this carrying 1 mark. And then next question if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation ka find the roots of find the value of haigadabani find the value of ka find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha haibani it is also same as the previous so alpha and beta piramabani na since alpha and beta are the roots since and hairi say if one of the root is twice the other had in the left and hogadabane so since I know hori su maram khangi ko maram di cg already given ne alpha and beta se roots ni piramabani na so since alpha and beta are the roots of this equation so alpha plus beta have the sum of the roots according to this equation minus b by a neba the minus b by a have the minus 2 formula gi minus am laire masagi minus 5 am laire so got 5 by 2 we gyantani ko then product of the root side alpha beta di kaino c by a di in place of c what is here 1 by 2 so got here 1 by 2 therefore alpha by beta plus beta by alpha have the kaino haiba matam da akoina c gi value sine buthokadu se didi akoina product to kai tare alpha beta tare ko ani se noi add tawro kamaina add tawni you have to take the LCM of denominator got alpha beta and then alpha beta the beta na divider here quotient is alpha into alpha got alpha square and then again alpha beta the kanana divide tawni what is to be divide alpha na divider the got beta into beta got beta square so alpha square plus beta square है दिखाई का माना रे a plus b whole square को noi khangidana a square plus b square gi formula lower class atam gi bodo ko a square plus b square haibadi a plus b whole square dagi minus twice ab ga mana ki ba. That is why we shall use that formula here. So in place of this, we shall write alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha. Just after writing this, then we can substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta here, okay? So in place of alpha plus beta, pi by 2 substitute, and 2 into alpha beta, the 1 by 2. And here at the denominator also substitute 1 by 2. Just after doing calculation, then you can get the answer. Calculation explained to your class 10 standard. That is why you can understand everything, okay? So got 21 by 2 phange. Adudi mana ngasai putho hari se karino hangi bo question do find the value of haibaneba. Sidi short that nate ba. So the value is this 21 by 2 is the value. Okay, we shall finish here, right? And the next question of 2019 is the word problem related with the quadratic question. The word problem based on quadratic question, the base the word problem hung about 2019 the ko. And then let's see 2020 question. Question number 1, the sum and the product of the roots. Sum and the product haibako. Sum and the product of the roots of the quadratic question ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 are respectively mathangsitna sum of the roots na kaino, product of the root na kaino. Sum of the roots say c question jiki noi minus b by a ni khang to o, product of the root na c by a ni adudi respectively mathangsitna kana gi value na hana sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. So the option is a. Atai just maroi bako b by a oire c by minus like this de so mo c by a is the product of the root ni sin sum respectively hairagadi koina kaino sum of the roots and product lai dana ko c sineba. The answer is a. So answer is a ko lam lai hang bani ko ngang sa dam lu na khan ya de. And then question number 2, for 2020 question, solve the quadratic question ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 by the method of completing perfect square. Completing perfect square method na solve to ba ko si su koina mamang da ta khre dana sigi method se kai ko ba ko koina Hindu method or Sidis Arias method haraga ju khangnai method maming khangjelu ko si 2020 ni ko sigi question ani sina accept 2020. So aina 2012 tagina 2020 bogi question sigi khoigi year question sing je noi de so tore as well as ka aina question mamangi class to gi badu ga mari lena ba question sing di hole aduga next study word problem based on quadratic question tawgani. And then once again don't forget ka tomorrow you know today is date 16, so tomorrow is date 17. Say the day is the Wednesday. Tomorrow you will have test just at 11, okay, 11 a.m. okay. I will send that question through our group WhatsApp, okay. Duga nakoina answer na nakoigi iraga answer paper da iraga, and then before 1 a.m. you have to send to where? To our group WhatsApp, okay. Thank you for class 10 students.